Hi everyone. Hi everyone. It's Hannah, Faith, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I've been so active for the past few days. I've been reacting on G22 music video and Habang Buhay. I can't remember the title of Maki's song, but I also reacted on it. So if you haven't watched it, please do watch my other videos. So I've been reacting on other P-pop artists or OPM artists. So please do watch it. So for now, for this video, and this is your favorite line. I mean, it's my favorite line too. Nagbabalik na naman po ang pambansang dilulu ni Ken Susan. Andyan ka na naman. Pasulyap-sulyap sa akin. Anyway, our agenda for today's video, I'll be reacting on Ken's newest song. Like, it's a surprise. Like, nagulat tayong lahat. And, nagkaroon siya ng I'm not sure. Is it a concert? Hindi naman siya concert eh, pero like, para siya nung Seven Sins noon. Ay, Seven Sins nga ba yun? But then, ito yung tinatawag na lang Soul 4. I thought para siyang fashion kinemerut, pero parang fashion bazaar. I don't know kung ano mangyayari. But it's on May 30. Ilang days na lang to go. And I haven't listened to this song. Hindi ko pa siya napapakinggan, guys. Like, sorry naman if hindi ko pa siya napapakinggan kasi nga mag-reaction video tayo. Though there's no music video, but I'll just react on it if ano bang style to ng kanta niya. But I think parang same siya nung tunog nung sa Seven Sins, I think. I'm not really sure. Pero yun. Anyway, guys, I haven't upload the Was concert vlog. So, please stay tuned. So, for na busy lang ako, napapriority ko lang i-edit yung mga mabibilis i-edit, guys. So, kaya hindi ko pa napopost yun ay dahil mahaba yung video at hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya pagkasama-samahin. So, please bear with me. But I think kaya ko na siyang ma-upload within this week or next week. I hope naman ma-post ko na siya kasi isang buwan na mahigit siyang pending. Anyway, let's do a reaction video na. I'll be removing the instrumentals dito sa tunog na to para hindi ako ma-copyright. So, marinig niyo lang yung boses ni Philip. Go! Okay. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Game. Pogi ni Philip dito sa cover na to, swear. Like, grabe naman to. Oh. Stop on the clutch, paint that you burn that shit by the blue. Walking out it hardy, too stiff, getting sturdy. Rub the show in a collie, on the toes, they around me. Drop a slash, sleep heavy. Trip the shoes, get cocky. Stepping on fake stars in the city. Don't fuck with this bitch, so only have felt me. I'm dirty so heavy, can't get up. Catch up my package, sticking nut. Boy, turn a face with some big enough. Hard to break, hold every time on earth. So wait, I'm rolling my dice for money. Bitches, I'm tired, they lose your nerve. No, they ain't shit, can't break it up. Fuck right out there with that fake love. Zig the smoke, hit the roast, we need drum. Got the girl playing swear to leave. Rockstar. Favorite niya talaga yung Rockstar. She wanna know. Now bitches going crazy. She gotta go. Burn shit was so. Woo! Oh my gosh, I love that part. Grabe, aswabe. Oh. And that's it. Anyway, we're done listening to my husband's husband. Meron siyang special someone. Though, hindi pa siya super confirm. But then, okay. Same siya ng genre nung sa mga, ano niya, mga kanta. Usually, ganda talaga yung mga style niya talaga na parang, mga ganon-ganon. The question here ay, am I gonna attend the Soul4 event? That's the question. Ilan days na lang? To answer is, no. But, nung nakita ko yung event, gusto ko sanang umattend kahit yung pinakamababa lang. Pero sabi ko, gusto kong umattend yung with after party. Gusto kong ma-experience siya. But, then, the price is not pricing. The budget is not budgeting, guys. So, hindi ako nag-proceed kasi feeling ko mas masaya yung experience dun sa yung may after party. So, ayun. So, hindi po ako, absent na naman po ako. Yung concert yung 7 scenes, absent din ako. Ngayon, absent na naman ako. Kasi hindi ko din alam na para siyang may performance. So, this one, alam niyo, binigla tayong lahat ni Philip here. So, hindi na paghandaan ng budget, ganyan. Anyway, ewan ko lang, tingnan natin. Maro po! Pero kung mag-go ako, yung tig 5K lang. Speaking of that event, wala pang outfit kasi ang outfit doon nila doon ay black. Malay nyo guys, if you're interested, I'm still selling this hand-painted of mine. Here, ayan. It's hand-painted. So let me know. Ayan. Please let me know if you're interested. Or pwede rin kayo magpa-customize. Bibili nyo to, magkakaroon na ako ng budget. Budget para umattend ng concert. Kasi I'm gonna sell this for only 6,000 na lang guys. So, ang mura ko na siya ibebenta. It's hand-painted guys. Hindi to print. Okay, hindi siya print. It's all hand-painted. So, please, message me on IG. 6K na lang, guys. So, kunwari, kung binili niyo siya, edi magkakaroon na ako ng 6K. Tatagdagan ko na lang siya ng 4K para maging 10K. Wait, meron pa bang ticket? Pero feeling ko naman baka may mag-ticket selling on the same day. I don't know. But then, if ever man, guys, if you're interested, please let me know. Kung di man kayo bumili, so please do support me. Or kung gusto niyo magpa-customize, please let me know guys. Because this is what I do for a living. So, please support me on this. And, siyang ipa-JNT or ipalala mo para same day. So, siya hanggang medium. Kasi I'm tall. Pwede siyang dress, pwede siyang coat lang. So, yan. Ito siya guys. So, if you're interested to buy it, ayan, pinitch ko na yung price niya, guys. Hindi biro mag-paint sa damit, okay? And if you're interested, please let me know. This is my IG if you're gonna be interested in commissioning or magpa-customize ng damit or ng hand-painted artwear. So, let me know, guys, para maka-attend tayo. Or gusto nyo, meron dyang magiging ninang angel, go ahead, I'm willing to accept it. Ayan, ibig sabihin, makaka-attend ako. Pero kung hindi siya nabenta, hindi po ako a-attend. Or kung wala nagpagawa, hindi po ako makaka-attend. Alin man dun. So, that's my answer if sign kung a-attend ako sa Soul4 or not. Pero I would love to attend the Sulfur event, guys. Lalo na yung after party. Gusto ko talaga yung after party. Like, andun ba si Philip sa after party? Like, oh my God! Like, makakasalamuha mo ba siya? So, ayun, na-imagine ko na nga eh. If ever, diba? Like, guys, kasama ko kayo sa vlog kong yun. Pero, the budget is not budgeting, guys. So, let's see, guys. So, message me on IG or comment down below. Pero mas maganda i-message nyo ako. Or if you know someone na gustong magpagawa or bilhin na yung mismong piece na yon. So, let me know. Ito yung IG ko. Nalobat na yung mic ko. But, thank you so much for watching. And please stay tuned for the Swas vlog. I know it's been so long overdue. But then, I hope you will still watch my vlogs. Please, guys. Please do watch my vlogs and share it. And please engage. So, I will know if meron pa rin yung nanonood sa akin at may nagsusupport sa akin, guys. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please, paabutin nyo na ako ng 20,000, guys. Like, guys, paabutin nyo ako ng 20k subscribers. So, yun lang. Bye! I hope maka-attend ako ng Sulfur. Guys, upon checking, sold out na pala. Matagal na pala siya sold out. Oh my gosh. So, yung chance lang natin maka-attend ay 99.9%. Ay, hindi. Ang di maka-attend, 99.9. Yung 0.1, if merong magiging ninang or merong mag-resell, oh my gosh, dadala na ako sa mga resell na yan, B. Anyway, ayun. So, I'm still selling the, yung artware ko. So, if ever man, guys, let me know pa rin. Pero yun, sayang naman hindi tayo makakatin sa Sulfur event ni Philip. But then, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching!